Hello everyone, and welcome back to Backyard Cooking with Patrick and Bucket, where today we're switching things up a little bit and I'm going to show you how to improve upon a campfire classic, the banana boat. The first thing that you're going to want when you're starting to cook banana boats is a fire. The next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to let the fire burn down to coals. And so while we're waiting for that, I'm going to show you guys how to cut one of these guys open and make it a banana boat. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to cut and slice your banana down the center here, very carefully making sure that you don't cut your hand. And you're going to slice through the first peel, through the entirety of the banana, and then up until you graze the inside peel. So I'm gonna go all the way down, making sure I don't cut through to the other side, and just slowly, carefully make my way across the banana. Then you're just gonna open it up so that you can stuff it full of chocolatey, sugary goodness. Okay, so now that you have your banana boats all wrapped up in tin foil, you're gonna wanna come back to your fire that should hopefully be burning down to coals. You want coals because when you're cooking these banana boats, you only want to melt the chocolate and you only want to get it warm enough to where the chocolate is melting. You don't want to scorch the entire banana boat. And so you want it with really cool coals. And so I am just gonna let this cool off a little bit and I'm gonna go and breathe. I pushed all the logs to the back and I pushed a bunch of the coals to the front. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take my bananas and I'm going to lightly set them into the fire without lighting myself. You know, I'm gonna use the tongs. The tongs are probably a safer bet. I always recommend using tongs when you do this. Don't just reach into a fire. All right, so I'm going to let them sit there a little bit. I'm probably gonna flip them over once so they get even heat, and I'll be back in a little bit. So after about 5 or so minutes in the fire, and after I've flipped them once, you just gotta give a little bit of a peek inside your tin foil. Make sure that everything is all melted, that the marshmallows, the chocolate, everything has kind of merged together into one gooey mass. Then you gotta just take them out. So once your bananas have sat off of the fire for about 5-10 minutes, just letting them cool, then you can open them up and dig in and enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Next time you're around the campfire or by a grill or something, I definitely recommend that you try this out for dessert because they're super good and there are a ton of ways that you can mix it up. There are a ton of different recipes. You can stuff whatever you really want inside of these bananas. Should be fine. So if you like this content, make sure that you follow us at UCF RWC and UCF Outdoor Adventure, and we'll see you out there in the wilderness.